Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a car review on the Mercedes E350. If you're new here, my name is Vivian, and so let's get right into the video. So we're going to start on the outside. And so, as you can see, it is a very nice and awesome car. Okay, so the outside looks like this from the front. Sorry, it's dirty and it's in a tight space right now, but this is what it looks like. And so I'll do a full run around. Here's the back. And this is the little thing. And yes. So for right now, I am gonna get into the thing and sorry, I need to get the key. The key looks like this. We got the hazards, unlock, and trunk. And so we are going to start with the trunk. So we're gonna pop this thing open. And if you will open for moi, or we can do this. So, as you can see, it has a lot of space in here for the. For this, it comes with a safety, all loaded with the tire, and so it's got lots of It's got a first aid kit, and it's got the E12V. I don't know why. It's got pretty much space. I could fit in this thing. And so that's the thing. And then it has automatic close. Ooh, gotta move the key. Automatic close. So it will close. And see, as it says, the E350. And that's from the back. And so I'm gonna press lock, and then I'm putting the key like right here. I'm not gonna touch it. See, right there. It unlocks by itself. As you see, I didn't even touch it. So for the Mercedes E350, the steering wheel looks like this. You have the control right here that will say reverse, neutral, park, and drive. And it will say right there. And then it tells you what the degree, how cold and warm it is. The lights and what side of the gas thing is on. And how much you're going. We've got the controls where you can pick up, mute, hang up, and all more. We've got the horn, we've got windshield wipers, and indications for blinker, basically. We've got the lights, which you can do that. And if you see that, the lights will turn on, but the car needs to be on. So you hop in, and the seats have a very warm and it's very comfortable you will see this as your driver. That's the front console that will tell you what happens, the time, the vents, the radio volume, the pickup, navigation, the disc, the radio, the telephone, and more. We have the hazards right here. That is, I don't know what that is. This is for, I'll show that later. It actually is for the sunshade. And then we got the seat warmers. And so on the side of the doors, on the passenger side, we've got the vent and all this. And then we got all that. We've got this. We got a sunroof. That's not like really showing. We've got the seat decliner, the modes. We've got the lock in that. And then we've got, on the driver's side, we've got the windows. So I can roll down any window and I can lock them. And so we've got that. And then let's move to the back. But we have the console, which has 2 drink spaces. The little, the little thing that you can change the radio with. We've got this, we've got Eco and then Sport, and then we got Eco and Sport on this, so we can change that. We can open up this, which is also the armrest, and yeah. And then let's move to the back. So right now the back is back here. For the back, we hop in and we have a little pocket right here. We have the vents. We have a little storage space with the 12 volt. We've got a little thing right here, headrest that we can move up. We have the a little net right here. A little storage space right here with our drinks, which we can close and then have our drinks out in an armrest, but we don't put it that way. We'll close it and back up. For your thing, you have the simple handle. This, you've got your Harman Kardon speakers, along with your little space. And then you've got this, which from the front you can turn on this light and then your readings light. And then you've got that. And yes, you've got handles right here and more. And so that's it. Sorry. Hey, shut up, I'm filming. Filming here. Helicopter. And so, thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your post notifications to know when I post a new video. And I'll see you next time. Bye.